Hello. So today we are going to use the FileSync services. Basically, it was used for like to share your data from on-premises to cloud. So like we can say it was only like one-way services. We cannot transfer our data from cloud to on-premises, but we just only transfer our data from on-premises to cloud only. So for that one, uh, I create one resource group called path resource group, and then I'll create one storage account, and the name was storage 899, and in that storage account I just use the premium services, and on that one I'll select the file share options only. So I just click on file share and add one file share, and I'll write down the name of this file share 1. After that one, I'll create one file sync services, storage sync services. You can simplify it from just write down to the top of menu bar, storage services, and it's come here, or you can just simply click on here and just create it. So I'll create one sync services as well and add one sync group. We can add a sync group from just come to the sync services and just press this one, or we can simply create on from overview and just hit that plus button. So on file group, we can see our cloud endpoint has been created successfully here, but we did not have any server endpoint. So for that one, I create one VM, or like let's create another VM. We are creating another VM just for understanding purpose, like so we can understand that like we can guess that that was our on-premises machine or computer. So I select my created resource group, then write down your virtual machine name, go with 2019, just write down the username and password. Select RDP, HTTP as well. Just click on review and create. So after the validation has been passed, just click on create and just wait for creating virtual machine. So our VM has been created. Let's connect our virtual machine to RDP. So it takes some time to settle all the configuration. So for that one, we have to turn off the security because we have to download one software. If we want to use the internet services, we have to turn off first this security option. So I'll just click on and turn off the security. Now let me create one dummy file and folder so we can understand that our data has been transferred from like on-premises to cloud. As we discussed before, we are creating this VM to understand, so that is like on-premises computer. So let me create on Windows C drive. On that C drive, we create one folder, sync service. On that sync service folder, let's add one dummy file and write down the name of test. Now open the Internet Explorer. And go to Google and write down Azure File Sync Agent. Click on that first Microsoft link. Now just press the download button and select which OS you selected on while creating your virtual machine, or like while you installed on your on-premises machine. So we'll installed 2019, so select this 2019 and click on next. Now allow the permission for downloading. Just run that downloading package. here, just simply just install that sync agent. No need to change anything. I just select do not use Microsoft Update. Just click on next, and just wait for the installation has been done. It takes some time to install the storage sync agent, so just wait for the installation. So now it was installed successfully. Just press finish. Now it was updated, so just click on OK. Now we have to sign in, so like here we can see Azure Cloud and lots of services, but we are using like as a tenant, so we are like cloud solution provider, so just hit this one. Now when you hit or turn on this feature, it will be asked for tenant ID. So every subscription has his own tenant ID, so we can simply find from our Azure website. Just search Azure Active Directory. Just click on that one. If you click on that, you simply see the tenant ID. So just copy that ID and just paste it here and click on sign in. Now it will be asked for which email ID you are using in your Azure website. So just write down that website, that email ID. Just click on next. Enter the password. Click on next. It's going to the text message for security purpose. Just click on send. Just enter the code. just verify that code. Select your account, select subscription, select your resource group, select your storage services, and just click on register. Now we are successfully registered, so just close it now and come back to our sync services. And come to registered servers. Here we can see our server has been registered successfully. We did not have put any data. It was successfully registered. Now go to your sync group. Now we have to add server endpoint. So just click on server endpoint. We have already registered our VM2, so just select that one. Now here it says path. So which path you here this path we have to copy FileSync Services. So just copy that path and just paste it from here and select cloud tiering. So I'll go with enable and just click on create. So it should take some time. Okay. Let's create it again. So just again download, select the OS, click on download, allow. VM2, select our path, so just go to that PC and select the path, just paste it from here, just click on create. So now we can see our server endpoint has been created successfully. So let's go back to our storage account and click on our file share. So come to the file share. Here we can see those file like which we updated on premises. So if we upload from here, it doesn't shows from there. Like put one file, select one file and upload it. So I'll upload one file from on cloud, but it doesn't shows me, or it doesn't update it from here. So that is the difference between FileSync services and file share. And now if we want to delete the all functions, we have to first of all unregister our server, then after delete our server endpoint, delete our cloud endpoint, delete sync group, and delete sync services as well. So like we can say that it was simply the reverse process. So we see today we see that file sync services on this video. Thank you.